Welcome to Kalpa's Khazana, and in this video we are going to make bread pakoda. Take 1.5 cup besan, salt as per taste, 1 spoon red chilli powder, a pinch of baking soda, and mix it well. Now add water according to the consistency. The batter should not be too thick or too thin. Make sure there are no lumps left. Once you are done making the batter, keep it aside for 15 minutes. Now take boiled aloo and smash it. Add chopped chillies, salt as per taste, 1 spoon chilli powder, a pinch of turmeric, 1 spoon dhania powder, 1 spoon jeera powder, and mix it well. Take breads and cut them diagonally. Now spread the aloo stuffing. Now close it with the other half. Now dip them in the batter which we made. And put it in oil for deep fry. Keep on turning them upside down. Fry until they are brown. And the bread pakoda is ready. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.